Vybz Kartel 2025, King of Dancehall's top hits and Sumfest glory. Crown Fire. In 2025, Vybz Kartel, the undisputed world boss, reigns supreme over the dancehall scene, captivating fans with his electrifying performances and chart-topping releases. Following his release from prison in July 2024 after a 13-year sentence, Kartel's triumphant return has ignited YouTube with viral music videos, live performances, and fan-driven content. His Reggae Sumfest 2025 performance and new tracks from the Viking, Vybz Is King, 10th anniversary album are driving global conversations, cementing his title as the King of Dancehall. Dive into the hits and moments defining his 2025 legacy, and subscribe to our channel for the latest on Kartel and dancehall's biggest stars. Kartel's Reggae Sumfest 2025 performance on July 18 in Montego Bay was a historic moment, with a sold-out crowd roaring for hits like Fever, Send Fi Me Army, and Mobay Anthem. Joined by Spice and Ishawna, Kartel's set, crowned with the King of Dancehall title, showcased his unmatched stage energy post-incarceration. YouTube clips from Downsound Entertainment and fan uploads are trending, racking up millions of views as fans celebrate his resilience. His shoutouts to mentors like Bounty Killer and Buju Banton, noted on X, highlight his respect for reggae's roots, adding depth to his performance videos that resonate with longtime fans and newcomers alike. His Viking, Vybz Is King, 10th anniversary album, released January 31, 2025, via Adidjahiem Records/TJ Records, is a YouTube juggernaut. Tracks like God is the Greatest, with its vibrant March 2025 video, blends spiritual lyricism with dancehall swagger, amassing streams for its uplifting message. Ignite the World, dropped March 26, 2025, captivates with its romantic and energetic vibe, while Str8 Vybz fuels party playlists tied to his rum brand. Porn Flick, with Ishawna, adds a provocative edge, trending for its bold visuals. These releases showcase Kartel's ability to evolve while staying true to dancehall's core, keeping his music in heavy rotation on platforms like Reggae Vibes. Kartel's World Boss Summer 2025 tour further amplifies his global influence, with YouTube buzzing from tour stops in London, Atlanta, and Trinidad. Fan-captured footage of Pretty Girl and other performances highlights his charisma, while X posts praise his ability to sell out shows worldwide. His sons, Lickle Vybz and Lickle Addy, featured on tracks like Fully Gaza, extend his legacy, with their videos gaining traction. Despite some X debates about his post-prison vocal delivery, Kartel's impact, releasing Grammy-nominated work like Party With Me during incarceration, remains unmatched. From conscious anthems to dancehall bangers, Kartel's 2025 catalog defines the genre's future. His Sumfest glory and new hits are must-see moments on YouTube, reflecting his enduring reign. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on Vybz Kartel's latest releases, tour highlights, and the dancehall anthems ruling 2025.